how to add custom routes to a RectAdmin application. Some routes are not CRUD routes like lists, edit, or show pages, but you still need them in your application. That's the case here. I have a list of orders, customers, posters, and I have also designed a settings page to let users change their email and website. How can I add this page to my RectAdmin application? It's not a resource, it's something I want to display when users go to the settings URL. So to do that, I'm going to add the custom routes element from RectAdmin. And this custom route element expects children that are route components from RecRouter. And so I'm going to add a route to the settings element. And now when users go to this settings page, they can see my custom settings page. One thing I noticed is that this page doesn't have a title here. If I go to the settings page, it's obvious. So I need to change my settings page to allow a title. And there is a RectAdmin component for that called title. And title will set the title in the app bar, so you have all the screen real estate available for your content. Another thing that I'm missing is a menu item to navigate to this settings page from another page without typing the URL. To do that, you have to customize the page layout. So currently, my admin component uses a basic layout with no customization. I have designed a custom menu here that has the regular resource items, orders, customers, and posters, and I have added a new menu item to the settings URL. So the way to enable this menu is to pass it to the layout component. So now, after I save, I can navigate to the settings page using the menu. And one last thing I want to emphasize is that this settings page is available even to anonymous users, because by default, custom pages allow anonymous access. This is not something I want here, so I have to disallow anonymous access in this page, in the settings page, and for that I'm going to use the use authenticated hook from RectAdmin. And now anonymous users can no longer access the settings page. They need to be logged in. All right, now it works. So to summarize, when you want to add a custom route, you have to add the custom routes element to your admin element. That's where the routing takes place. It expects route elements as children, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching.